Groundwater Treatment and Technology is a total water management company that specializes in a wide variety of water treatment capabilities. And a recent project completed in Linden, New Jersey demonstrates what can happen when the right team stays focused on solving even the most daunting of groundwater projects. For nearly 100 years, a sizable industrial area in New Jersey was home to a challenging array of groundwater contamination issues, and the site owner contracted GWTT for operation and maintenance support of their existing wastewater treatment plant. Once under contract, GWTT immediately increased efficiency and lowered costs through our plant optimization program. With the sale of the property, the new owner of this challenging site could have chosen to enlist the services of multiple contractors over the lifespan of the project, as it required different disciplines. But the efficiencies gained from using experts with all core competencies in-house, such as construction, dewatering activities, including treatability testing, assistance in permitting, design of a temporary treatment system, provisioning of equipment, and 24/7 operation and maintenance, along with regulatory reporting and decommissioning of all treatment systems that treated the water on site. During the redevelopment of the site, GWTT's Remedial Contracting Division completed the installation and commissioning of the new groundwater and sanitary wastewater management systems, which continues to operate under the supervision of GWTT's O&M experts. The successful remediation of massive and complicated sites is only a small representation of what GWTT does routinely to treat contaminated groundwater. Whether your issue warrants a small rental treatment system for either non-complex or complex applications, or you're looking at a large, long-term project that requires a partner on a seemingly overwhelming project that could potentially last decades, please reach out to GWTT today. Regardless of the size or complexity of your project, GWTT's Total Water Management Solutions approach stands ready to make your next groundwater treatment project a success.